Hello, my name is Yassi. In last video, we have designed a project with the Cloud Studio with the user task and also reusing the desktop package in the process. Now in this video, we will learn how can we generate a package from the project and then have it deploy in the RPA and then to create a trigger for one to run. Okay, so to generate a package, you need to go to the home page of the project and click generate package, and then click generate package. Okay, once you have done, and then you should be able to find your package listing in the package here. So we're having the 03, and then is the status is with preview. So the next one, let's get it released. Let's release it. And then let's add this package to our environment by adding the package 03 and deploy it. And then now we have the package deployed. And then the next step, we can create a trigger. In this case, we will select in our environment, and in this case, we will create an API because we will need to passing the input parameter for the requires by, approved by, and so on and so forth. So let's name it API, and we will run our process. Okay, and then as you can see, we will have the URL available as well as the input parameter if you would like to trigger. And then we also have we need to define the API key where we're going to be using in the following step. Okay, so now we have finished to generate the package and have it deploy, and also to create the API trigger on that. And then in the next video, we're going to see how can we run it in the runtime.